Rock Approach fans, and sorry for the wait, but today we are going to do the how-to video on the Titanic. So sorry for the wait. My brother really didn't want to do it, but I forced him to. So yeah, I'm going to be voicing for this one, and I'll just show you the main concept first of the bow. So the bow is really just, so first we're using a 1 in 1,000 scale of the Titanic, and the bow, if we open up the red part, we're using, like, I'll just guess 3 ounces of weight. That's for weight, but here in the bow, this is where the magic happens. If you open this up, you can see one bulkhead that's about that big. Well, it's like a centimeter big. And yeah, there's no weight in here, but you have the sponge, the whole concept of the brake. The sponge is like coming out of the bow about half a centimeter. So yeah, not a lot, but so that's the bow. There's not a lot to it, just put it on top. And then now for the stern. The stern is just no weight, as you can see in the bottom, but it has a lot of bulkheads. Like, if you open this up, you can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and one collapsed one, so 5. It has 5 bulkheads that go smaller as they go. So this one's about half a centimeter, this one's a centimeter, this one is a centimeter, and then this one's a centimeter. So yeah, so only this one is a half a centimeter, and this one's a centimeter. So those are the bulkheads. You can drill like little holes in them. And yeah, then the top.
You can easily make them out of a 7-Up plastic bottle.
Yeah. So then here you have the holes, the main concept. Here we heat it up like a knife and we cut it. It makes really detailed holes. But we also need a little more, so we drilled in 1 hole. Then we put 2 in the bottom. This hole just came with the set. And yeah, so that's the basic concept. And so this sponge isn't that heavy. It's about just a normal sponge. You can cut it about an inch and make it a square. That's an inch. Then just leave a centimeter sticking out like that. So yeah, but I'm sorry if it won't work. This isn't that good of a design, but you guys wanted a how-to, and we're just telling you. Oh, and what we did for the splitting mechanism, we just got a knife that we're able to cut. So it would just be the middle right here.
A jagged knife.
A jagged knife, and you just cut it down, the whole thing just down. That's how you make it into 2. It was originally just 1 piece. You had to like just jag it in 2.
One more thing, you also have to make this thick enough so it will actually hold on to right here. So when these weights, when they drop down, this will come off easily. This will come off, and it will stay attached to this one. So that's basically how you make it split.
Yeah, so
It's not that hard.
Now we would like to show you one last sink. And also, I forgot to tell you, you gotta cut little holes and drill little holes in the black part. Oh well, since these 2 are separated, the water will come in here, but it'll be blocked from here. So you gotta see how we cut little holes right there. You gotta cut holes. Oh, so this is gonna be one last sink test, and we haven't used it in a while, so sorry if it doesn't do that good. I think the actual design will be better than ours. When you first test it, when it's completely dry, it works a lot better. But this one's a little wet, so here it is. Yeah. So there you have it. Thank you for watching Rocket Pros, and sorry once again that the how-to video took so long. Hopefully it helped you. If not, I'm sorry.